When you search for the best solar fountain for your bird bath, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Melbury Copper Disc. Let's kick things off with the Melbury Bird Bath Copper Disc, priced at just $12.99. What caught my eye is its 99.99% pure copper material, designed specifically to keep your bird bath clean without constant scrubbing. If you want to enjoy a fresh and clean bird bath with minimal effort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The copper disc helps maintain cleaner water in your bird bath for up to 14 days at a time, meaning less time cleaning and more time enjoying. It's a natural water cleaner that leverages copper's properties to reduce slime and green algae growth. With over 2,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, thousands of users have found success with it. Now, some people complained about needing to be cautious with metal bird baths, as it only works effectively with non-metallic basins unless the protective coating is intact. Here's the thing though, most bird baths are made from plastic or stone, so if you're in that camp, this won't be a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a low-maintenance solution to keep your bird bath clean. Skip this one if your bath is made of metal with a damaged coating. Plus, it saves you around $200 a year on cleaning tools. Now, if the copper requirement bothered you, the next product might be even better for your needs. Product number 2, Maidmax Solar Fountain. Next up is the Maidmax Solar Bird Bath Fountain, priced at $16.79. This one really caught my attention with its 1.4 W solar power and the ability to operate in just 3 seconds under direct sunlight. If you want to attract hummingbirds and add a lively touch to your garden, this is worth taking a look. Here's why this matters. It has a spray height of 50-70 cm, which means it creates a beautiful display of water that not only enhances aesthetics but also provides hydration for local birds. With over 30,000 purchases and a 3.9-star rating, many people are happy with this product. Plus, it comes with 8 nozzles, allowing you to customize the water patterns, adding fun and variety. However, some users have pointed out that it doesn't work on cloudy days or at night, which can be a bit frustrating if you expect it to run constantly. But here's the thing, it's solar powered, so that's just part of the package. If you have direct sunlight, it really shines. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, playful fountain that attracts birds. Skip this one if your bird bath is in a shaded area. Overall, it's a solid value for your money considering its fun features. Now, if adjustable nozzles and solar power sound appealing, wait until you hear about the next option. Product number 3, AMZ Time Solar Fountain. Coming in at just $9.99 is the AMZ Time Solar Water Fountain. I was drawn to its affordability and the fact that it's eco-friendly and doesn't require batteries. If you're on a budget but still want an attractive bird bath fountain, this is definitely worth your attention. The upgraded solar panel allows it to kick into gear within 3 seconds of sunlight, adding up to a 70 cm spray height. A standout feature here is the 6 different nozzles, which means you can really customize how it looks in your garden, giving you the ability to change things up whenever you want. Plus, it has 4 brackets to keep it steady in the water, which is a big plus. With a rating of 3.8 stars and over 1,900 reviews, many customers appreciate its performance. However, some buyers mentioned that it can occasionally splash water out of smaller bird baths. But honestly, that's manageable by using less powerful nozzles or choosing a larger bath. It's all about finding the right fit for your space. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective, customizable fountain option. Skip this one if you have a really small bird bath that may not accommodate splashing. For its price, it offers excellent value. Alright, that was a solid pick, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more power. Product number 4, Serene Solar Fountain. Now let's talk about the Serene Solar Fountain, which retails for $12.98. I was really impressed with its 3.5 W solar panel that promises fast startup and solid performance. If efficiency and power are what you're after, this may be the one to consider. This solar fountain boasts a maximum spray height of 70 cm and comes with 6 different nozzles. That means you can create a variety of water displays, which can be both a decorative feature and a source of joy for local birds. With a solid 3.9-star rating and over 1,200 reviews, it's clear that many people are satisfied with its performance. It also boasts a sturdy design that helps prevent it from being knocked around in your bird bath. Now, some users have experienced issues with the durability of the pump over time. Here's the thing though, regular maintenance and cleaning can really extend its lifespan. If you're willing to put in the effort, it's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful fountain that offers a variety of spray options. Skip this one if you prefer something that requires absolutely no maintenance. For its price, you get a solid, effective fountain that adds charm to your garden. And if you like a powerful option, the last product on our list is a good alternative that some may prefer. Product number 5, MadeMax 1W Solar Fountain. Finally, we have the MadeMax 1W Solar Bird Bath Fountain Pump priced at $14.99. I found this one intriguing because it's designed to keep the pump in place, which can be a real game changer in preventing splashes. If you're tired of constantly refilling your bird bath, this may be worth considering. With multiple nozzles included, you can create different water patterns. This has a strong 4-star rating and 24,100 reviews, showing that many users find it reliable. Plus, its design helps to prevent the pump from moving around, which is a big relief if you've dealt with fountains that spill water all over. However, some users did mention that it can be a bit finicky if not placed correctly in the water. Here's the thing though, once you figure out the best setup, it performs wonderfully and can keep your bird bath filled without needing constant attention. This is perfect for you if you want an efficient fountain that minimizes maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for a truly hands-off option. For the price, you're getting something that really works well and keeps your bird bath enjoyable. So to wrap it up, we looked at the Melbury Copper Disc, MadeMax Solar Fountain, AMZ-Time Solar Fountain, Fulsrun Solar Fountain, and the MadeMax 1W Solar Fountain. Each option has its unique strengths, from ease of cleaning to adjustable nozzles and spray heights. Depending on your specific needs and budget, there's a great solar fountain out there for your bird bath. Happy bird watching!